Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you all how to download and install Zinitevi onto your phones. It's compatible with both iPhones and Android phones. Zinitevi is an app to get all the latest movies and TV shows. It's awesome. It has most of the new movies and TV shows. There's always something to watch and keep you entertained. And best of all, it's free. I tried to make this video as detailed as possible for each step. I hope it helps you all. Okay, so let me begin and show you guys how to get it. First thing you're going to do is go to your internet browser and type in the link that I have above. I'll leave it in the description box as well. It's https://movieapps/movieapps/#install-app-for-android. Then you're going to click on Go. It should bring you to this page. Scroll all the way up to the top, and where it says iOS, click Install. And then right after that, you're going to click on link 1, download. On the very top where it says install test flight, you're going to click on that. It'll bring you to this page, and you're going to download that. Wait for that to finish downloading. Then you're going to go back to your browser, and then click the back arrow to go back to the previous page. Now you're going to click on the link 2, the one right above link 1. Click on link 2. When that comes up, you could choose to allow or don't allow. I'll just choose allow. And then you're going to click continue. And then when you see this, where it says apps, Zini Theater, you're going to click on install. Wait for that to finish installing. And then open it. On this page, you're going to click next and start testing. When you get to this page, it's just if you wanted to allow the app to send you notifications, such as like if you download a movie, if you want to be notified. I'm just going to choose no, but you could choose yes. If you choose yes to be notified when a movie or a show is finished downloading, it will automatically save into where your photos are. So now this is the app. You can browse and see what you want to watch. If you click on the magnifying glass, you can either search for a specific movie or show there, or you can narrow it down by genre of movies or genre of TV shows. If you don't know what you want to watch, just go to the main page. You can check popular movies, see whatever's here. So we're going to click on, for example, we can click on Trolls World Tour. If you click on Watch Now, and then your movie will start. It takes a minute to load. In my opinion, it's really clear. The movies and the shows are really clear. They're really good quality. Once it starts, you can click that little box in the top right corner to stream it to your TV if you want to watch it on TV. And just fast forward so you can see the quality of the movie. There you go. Excellent quality. so I'm gonna X out of that. And that's all, guys. I really hope this video helps you guys. If it does, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to get more awesome videos like this. Bye, guys.